Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to use tokens in your custom module. So for that you have to enable this token module in your Drupal instance. So I already enabled the token module. So once that module is enabled, what I have done, I have created a custom configuration form. If you don't know how to create a custom configuration form, I will add that link in the description. Please go and watch it. So I just created a custom configuration form. In that, I added the token. I will tell you how to add the token. So this is my form. In this form, on build function, I have added a token support here. So first what I'm doing, I'm checking whether the module is already enabled or not. If it is enabled, I'm rendering this. If the token module is not enabled, this will not get rendered in the uh, front end. So next, I'm just creating a container. Inside that container, I'm going to paste my token tree. So here you have to define a theme of token tree link. So this will be rendering your tokens in a tree. And then token type. So token type in this, what you have to do? You have to mention what are the entity tokens you want. Okay. So here I have mentioned only two node and site setting configuration values, and then node entities. If you want to add any other, you can add command or taxonomy term. You can add term or block. You can add block content. So the entity name you have to add it. Block means block content. So whatever you want, you can add here. I'm going to use only two token types. One is node and one is site and global type. So I just disable the global type. If you enable, so it will contain all the global information like current user, all those data. I will enable and I will show you that. So how you want to show that token? I want to show it in the dialog box. So I enabled it. So that is done, just refresh here and click on this. So this will give you the dialog box. So here you can see only two tokens available. And let me add one more. Let me add comment and save. Now refresh and click on browse. So here you can see our common tokens also available now. And then next, I'm going to make global type true and refresh and click on this. So now you can see lot of current date, current page, current user, all the global language. So all global tokens will be available. So for now I'm disabling this and just I'm returning the form as like how we do. Okay. Once that is done, so I'm just going to use tokens here. Help text for body. So help text for node title. So let me give that node ID and body field value. Okay. So I'm saving this. Let me add icon so that we can easily understand what is rendering. So this is the help text I added. So I have to use this token somewhere, right? Which means I have to use this field value somewhere, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to render this value, help text value on edit of article page. So for that, what I have done in the hook formatter, if the article edit page is loading, I am just getting the value of help text to what we have saved here. Okay, once I got that value, here I am getting the current root parameter. So here you will get the node ID. So from that node ID, so here we will be getting that as an object. Since parent converter is implemented in code, so you will not get node ID, you will get a node object here. And once that is done, token service, I am initializing the token service where I am going to replace all my tokens. In this replace function, you have to pass your help text which contain your tokens. In this, if the token is node, I am passing the complete node entity. So token module will replace all the token variable, whatever inside the node type. So title, body, and ID will be replaced and clear. I will explain at the last. And what I'm doing in the form prefix, I'm just rendering the help text. That's what I'm doing here. So now if I go and refresh, so you can see it is rendering help text for test and 13 and body field. I don't have any value. That's why it is not getting rendered. So as I already mentioned, clear true. Okay. So what clear true it will do, if you are using any token, but if that token doesn't have value in the node or any entity, if you are not mentioning this, what will happen? The token will be displayed as a plain text. Let me show you. So let me off this clear false and let me reload. So are you able to see? Since the field value is empty, the token is getting rendered here as a plain text. So to avoid such a situation, you have to make it true so that the token which doesn't have value, those will be clear. Okay. So let me add body value and save it. Now again I will edit. So you can see our body value is getting rendered. So our help text is getting rendered. Okay, so this is how you have to use tokens and this is how you have to replace your tokens in your custom module. Mainly you can use it when you are going to do any mail sending. So if you have configured all the mail template like node title, node body field, whatever you want to send in the mail. So you can create a separate form, subject and body, where you can give your template on node pre-save or insert. What if you want to do only on insert case? So on insert, what you can do, you will get a complete node, right? So you can pass that node and you can replace all the subject and body field which you want to send, and then you can send the mail to the particular user. So that is the main case. To make it too simple, I just took this as an example to showcase you. And that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.